Hi guys, Sam from Enerdrive here. Today we'll be looking at our latest power system, the Wanderer. This latest product is a follow-on from our successful power system range, including the Traveller, the Explorer, and the Adventurer. Our power systems are designed to operate a wide range of appliances and gear, from a simple fridge and light setup to a full-on power station. You might be wondering how the Wanderer compares to the rest of our power systems. Whilst closest in design to the Adventurer, the Wanderer is less powerful by comparison, but accommodates for this via a more intelligent use of the COMBI inverter. You'll also note it has a more compact size overall. The Wanderer is only available with the Simarine display compared to our other systems. This product is packed with features, so let's take a look at what's on offer here. First up, the Wanderer is a complete 40 amp plus DC and 60 amp AC charging solution, alongside a 1600 watt inverter. The use of an inverter charger combi provides a more compact solution compared to the Adventurer. Available as either a driver's or passenger side model, the Wanderer also accommodates AC wiring using the CMS plug-and-play system. We supply you with a black CMS 15 amp inlet with RCD protection along with a 5 meter inlet cable. There's 1.5 meters of 50mm squared positive and negative cables to ensure you have all the necessities for the install. Built standard with the Simarine PICO display, 301 shunt and SCQ50 quad shunt for DC to DC, fridge and loads current monitoring. Not only that, we've added a new feature of etched switch covers, allowing for more accurate labels and the ability to swap out as different equipment is fitted to the system. There's now over 75 standard covers, with new ones being released continually. With high quality switchable circuit breakers for loads via DC to DC and the inverter charger, the Wanderer allows you to isolate all or part of the system, along with 4 Carling push to reset breakers for your fridge, outlets and switch loads. Lastly, the Wanderer comes standard with 2 dual USB outlets, which can also be swapped for traditional 12V outlets. We also recommend using this system with Enerdrive's B-TEC 12V 200A G2 lithium battery. Pair these with a 240W folding solar kit or fixed panel and you've got yourself the ultimate off-grid solution. Last but not least, we believe in making products that stand the test of time. That is why every Enerdrive branded product or system is covered by a 5-year warranty. Not only that, but you'll have access to a lifetime of Australian tech support. Check in with your local Enerdrive reseller today or visit our website for more information.